look, it's starting. Halloween is starting. It's a Sunday, one of the last Sundays of summer, our last Sunday of summer.
And they're already starting to switch over to Halloween.
Yeah, so I'm excited.
Or Hallowscream.
Ah, look who's out, our favorite cow. Aww, at least they're leaving her in the shade because it is very hot out.
Her calf is probably still in the stable.
Yeah. We are heading into O-Taters, not for their delicious food today, but for their limeade and air conditioning.
This one's lived a pretty good life. It's probably laying eggs.
So we found butterflies and a lizard today. I'm like obviously not trying to like creep him out, but he looks really cool. And here is Beer Fest.
Oh, common and bien.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they have some snacks to go along with it. And then, if we were here on the right day, there's entertainment.
You know, sometimes when you want to drink, you just gotta say, oh, schnapps.
Oh, schnapps.
Oh, schnapps. That's a real place.
And that guy's back ahead.
Yep.
Oh, schnapps. Beautiful. Say ah. Ah. That was a break. What did you get?
So this is a giant pretzel with bacon salt. We also have a beer mustard, or like a hot mustard and a beer cheese.
And then over here
pub
is
cheese.
a...
Chicken schnitzel.
Okay.
So here,
We'll show him later.
Okay. Hey everybody, so we're attacking the giant pretzel. Can't really taste the bacon salt so much, it's just like a regular salty pretzel. It's really big. We're enjoying the cheese and the beer mustard. And this is chicken schnitzel. Just take a look at that. With a caper sauce, and you get a little lemon slice in there, and it's just beautiful.
So cool. Hi, Nick. And right around over there.
Oh.
They're feeding it.
Oh.
Oh, she's such a sweetheart. Oh, she wants to cuddle. Oh.
She's getting brushed.
Oh, good girl. Oh, here we go. My feet are up. Whoa! I can't see anything, so still cool when I'm rolling. There is Nick. And we are, whoa, going down Hubba Hubba Highway. I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, you're going 66. Head over to Hubba Hubba.
No, I'm good. I'll do it again.
So 66 has extra jets. I don't know. This side is nothing. This side's a little more tame, and they both have the sonic showers. I like the thing that's clean water.
Yeah.
Recycled.
We've been in here for a while. It's really chlorinated. You can smell the chlorine.
Yeah. It has to be.
That's an exciting thing coming.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Take a look.
I love that. What a great artist.
I got your Hubba Hubba nose.
Get the Hubba Hubba.
Hubba Hubba palm trees. I'll get the Hubba Hubba palm trees. Whoa. And the Hubba Hubba sunlight.
Oh, I barely got Hubba Hubba rainbow. That palm tree's Hubba Hubba nut.
Oh yeah, the palm trees like kind of like.
There's the coconuts used to fill up and tip over. That was like the whole thing, coconut.
The coconuts. The what?
Did they take
Totally
it?
rammed it. Oh, that's my Hubba Hubba head. That was my Hubba Hubba head. I lost my Hubba Hubba husband. Oh look, there's the dinos.
Good shot, good shot.
It took my pants! It took my pants! Oh my god, it really like pretty much took off my bottoms. Not like all the way, but a lot of the way.
Did you get the Hubba Hubba waters yet?
Yes, I did, except I got my Hubba Hubba bottoms. I didn't take them all up, but they're definitely tangled on the top. The little stringies on them are not happy. The Hubba Hubba hiney. Almost was Hubba Hubba scene.
Hubba Hubba hindered.
Took away my Hubba Hubba modesty. There's Nick. He just went. Let's see him where he's going. Went around. And we are ending our night with Zaxby's, our very first time. Zestable dip.
Got some fried mushrooms. The zestable dip tastes like the blooming onion sauce.
There is Zaxby's.
Whoa. Okay.
Lots of sauce.
Lots of sauce.
And then I got a grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese. Texas toast. Really nice.
Hubba hubba, okay. Nothing's hubba hubba happening. You know, if they had weapons, they'd have a hubba hubba howitzer. Hubba hubba, tiny. Hubba hubba, hero. Hubba hubba, hiccups. Hubba hubba, haiku. Hubba hubba, hubba hubba, happy face. Hubba hubba, hubby. Hubba hubba, hippo. Battering ram. Oh, battering Corinne. Battering. Hubba hubba, hitmonlee. Hubba hubba, hitmonlee. Hubba hubba. Oh my butt.